Shalom, and welcome to the first weekly news update from Israel. This week started tragically with the burning of a building in Akko's Old City. 4 adults and an 8-year-old boy perished when an explosion on a building in Akko's Old City brought the building crashing down. On Tuesday, the Iranians and world powers began talks on Iran's nuclear program. These talks ended on Thursday, and the Iranians and world powers have agreed on an agenda for negotiation. The IDF uncovered what it said was a powerful bomb planted on the Gaza-Israeli border on Tuesday morning. The bomb was designed to go off as an army patrol passed by. Luckily, this attempt to harm the IDF and Israeli citizens was prevented. On Wednesday, the management and employees of Hadassah Medical Organization signed a deal to ease a labor dispute over unpaid January wages. President Obama and Turkish Prime Minister Tayyip Erdogan talked on the phone on Wednesday. Among the topics in their conversation, Obama and the Turkish Prime Minister spoke about the importance of quickly closing an agreement between Israel and Turkey. Thank you very much, and you stay classy, Ms. Rafi.